a focused, high-yield review for NEET aspirants covering key concepts in evolution: chemical evolution, paleontology, morphology, and natural selection. The Urey-Miller experiment models early Earth chemistry by sending an electric spark between electrodes through a mixture of gases: methane, ammonia, hydrogen, and water vapor, then condensing the products so organic compounds collect in a trap. A heat source and circulating water mimic primitive ocean atmosphere cycles. Paleontological evidence supports a reptilian ancestry for birds and many modern reptiles. Fossils such as Stegosaurus, Triceratops, Brachiosaurus, and Tyrannosaurus show dinosaur diversity, while Archaeopteryx is a classic transitional fossil linking reptiles and birds and pointing to a common reptile ancestor. Homologous organs are structures that share the same anatomical origin but have evolved different functions, which is a key indicator of divergent evolution and common ancestry. Adaptive radiation happens when geographic or reproductive isolation drives rapid diversification. Darwin's finches evolved a variety of beak shapes for different feeding niches, and Australian marsupials like kangaroos, bandicoots, and the Tasmanian wolf filled diverse ecological roles. Convergent evolution produces similar body plans in unrelated groups that occupy similar ecological niches. Examples include comparable ant-eater-like or wolf-like forms evolving independently in placental mammals and Australian marsupials. Natural selection operates in distinct modes. Stabilizing selection reduces variation around an intermediate phenotype. Directional selection shifts the population mean toward a new phenotype. And disruptive selection favors extremes and can produce two distinct phenotype peaks that may lead to divergence. Plant evolution progressed through geological periods, from green algal ancestors to early vascular plants such as lycopods, to arborescent forms, and ultimately to angiosperms. Flowering plants later diversified into monocotyledons and dicotyledons and became ecologically dominant. Vertebrate evolution split into sauropsids, the ancestors of modern reptiles and extinct dinosaurs, and synapsids, the lineage that led to mammals. Major extinctions and turnovers, such as losses among thecodonts and therapsids, allowed mammals to diversify and dominate during the Tertiary. Comparing cranial anatomy across species and developmental stages: baby and adult chimpanzees versus adult modern humans highlights differences in skull shape, brain case size, and facial projection that are useful for tracing human evolutionary changes.